It was a little video that little project I was working on for the last little while. Actually, I only started it last night, to be quite honest with you. And I got a couple of parts over the weekend, and I said, you know, I'm going to put them to use. This is something that I wanted to do all for a while, and it's to go portable in the summer with my amateur radio gear. Especially with a low power 20 meter transceiver or 10 meter or whatever. And of course, when you're out in the field, well, you know, you got no way to get power unless you take a generator with you, or you have batteries. Well, generator is always good, but who wants to be lugging a generator up the side of a hill or whatever? So I figured I'm going to go a little bit lighter than the generator. I'm going to go with batteries, little gel cell batteries. Same type you see like in your backup emergency lighting, the grey gel cell batteries. And of course you need some way to charge them. Well, the idea behind this video is a little project that I was working on using these couple of items that I've had kicking around for the last number of years, plus a couple that I got the weekend. And I'd like to show you exactly what it is that I'm messing around with here. So you will notice that I got a voltage of 2.79, 3, 4, whatever, 3. And if I do this, you notice the voltage is changing. What could I possibly be using to cause that? And it's not a variable resistor. So this is the idea I'm using that I'm thinking about charging batteries with this summer. I'm actually going to give it a shot as well. But anyway, let's zoom out and have a look. Solar panel. And of course, any solar panel, you need a solar controller, which is managed to pick up the weekend for the low price of FREE. From what I'm reading online on this one, its model is 12-16, which means it's a 12 volt 16 amp controller, battery charge regulator. And basically I got my solar panel. Well, you know, right now it's just powered off these LED lights. It's getting lights from the LED lights, which is giving me 2.791 volts, and that is leading to the battery. So the battery is being ever so slowly charged at 2.9 volts. It's a 12 volt battery, so yeah, it'll take forever to charge if it'll charge at all. Now my idea is to have two batteries. And basically what I want to do, I don't want these batteries in parallel. While I'm using one battery, I want to charge another. And this is where this little switch comes in handy. Basically what I'm planning on doing, I'm going to have battery 1 will connect to these two terminals, and battery 2 will connect to these two terminals. And then depending what battery I want to charge, you literally flip the switch. That's the idea. So right now you can see that the LED is ever so slightly lit. Of course, you know, it needs a lot more voltage to work properly, obviously. But let's just see what the voltage drops down to. I'm going to disconnect the battery from the regulator. So right now, that's the voltage with no load on the regulator. 2.790, 2.7 volts. Now we'll put the battery in line, and you get 2.788 volts. So it's mere microvolts that the load that it's putting on the regulator. So there we go. I'm going to put this to use over the summer months. Give it a try. Solar panel controller, 12 volt, 16 amp. Battery 1, battery 2, positive, negative, and there we go. So yeah, that's the controller, battery disconnect switch, voltmeter, and solar panel. So I'm sure some of you are probably wondering what type panel this is. It's made by ICP, Battery Saver Pro, but I guess you're more interested in what wattage is. I mean, it's not the biggest panel in the world, but hey, it's something to play around with. So basically this one is good for working power. I guess that's what WP means. Working power, 5 watts. It's good for 24 volts, 350 milliamps. Yeah, system voltage maximum 50 volts. So I guess maximum she'll put out, I guess, is 50 volts. But yeah, ICP can. So there you go. That's all the information on this individual panel. I know some of you probably that's the other battery I was planning on going to use, but I said I just have it there just to keep the panel in the air right now. But yeah, so here we have it. Solar controller, battery disconnect, panel, and battery. Anyways, just thought I'd show this to you. And the next fine day we get, I'm actually going to give it a try. I'm going to put this controller, I'll let this controller charge this battery now for the next couple of days, and hopefully, with any luck, this weekend I'm going to give her a try and see how well this charger will work. But yeah, there we go. It's an ASC model 12-16, 12 volt, 16 amp battery charge regulator. So there you go. Anyways, thanks for watching, and weather permitting, you'll see another video with this system this weekend. We shall see. Anyway guys, all the best, and take care.